Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to hold up above that pink line right there. I use the word continue very deliberately because you can see on several occasions today, the bears did try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong there. So again, if that continues to happen, that would be great. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, yeah, staying above the pink line there, currently valued at $1.39, would be the ideal situation. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture type point of view, so this definitely assumes that you have more of a broad time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very simple but highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yes, preferably stay above that pink line. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, initial level of resistance right here at the $1.62 mark. That's right where the price was rejected during the final 30 minutes of today, but it's also right where the price was rejected earlier in the day, so kind of a random level, but apparently there are some sellers sitting right there. After $1.62, the next key overall level, just where the party stopped today, and that's up there right around $1.75. So anyway you slice it, nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. Curious to see how this one will close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.